Wow! Make now flower like this. Yay! Flowers like that. I like that. It's your birthday. You can do that.
My mom is here.
That's okay. Okay, I'll clean. With my tongue like that.
Can I eat it?
Hmm?
Can I eat?
First we draw. First.
I don't know how to do.
We have to eat man spaghetti first. And this one. Yay!
Hey, why did I do this? Look at that. Why did I do this?
I will put tissue.
Can I eat this?
Yes.
Give me that.
What? Tissue? You can. What?
Look who's there.
Hole. We put eyes again. Eyes. Tung 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 tung.
Oh.
Another eyes. Smileys.
This.
Nose.
How to do it?
Yum yum yum. It's your cake, so you can do what you want. What else? Make flower like this. Can I make flower, Juna? Like this. First, chung 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 chung.
Ooh.
Cool, right? And then making like that. Cool. Making.
How to make this place? Hey, it looks like squiggly.
What?
What's this? What's this?
Wow, like flower, blue flower. Wow. No, 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 don't do that.
What's that?
That is for icing. Then, this one, great smile. Eyes, nose, and smile like that. Wow. Wait, great.
How to do this?
It's like doing and all are smiling. Eyes, nose.
Spooky. Ew.
It's not. How about this one? What do you make?
Batista. No, don't see that.
I don't see no.
You see that has 3 eyes?
Nose?
Yes, 3 eyes.
Oh, then you can make your own flowers.
Is there more?
I will fix first, okay? I will do like that, fold a bit, and press it, okay?
Hard.
Yeah, press here like that.
I want.
Fix this one. Okay. Okay, do it now. Makes one smiley. Eye. Do it. You want put candle and blue again?
No.
That is not your birthday at that time in school. That was yesterday.
Whoa. The nose is like this.
Hmm.
The nose is like that.
Oh, okay. Wow, great. Make flowers.
No, I don't know.
How do you birthday is special, right? Because I make it.